So how do traders make money in the stock market? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBuild Solutions here with another video. Make sure that if you're new to the channel that you subscribe. And of course, if you learned something new, destroy that like button. So very simply, how do traders make money in the stock market? Let's give you an example. Let's say that you want to invest or trade Apple stock. Apple stock, let's say, is trading at $100 a share. Let's say that you have $100 in your trading account. You buy one share of Apple. You own one share at $100. The goal when trading or investing is to make money. So you hope that Apple appreciates in price. And let's say in this example, let's say it goes from $100 a share to $110. If you do the math, that's a 10% gain. That's actually quite impressive. Now that one share that you previously bought for $100 flat is now worth $110. That's a 10% gain, and your actual profit out of that $100 trade is $10. You might be asking, Ricky, well, why would I only want to make $10? It's the proof of concept, right? I don't know if you guys have the same background as myself, but I came from a background of buying and reselling iPhones. And I would buy them for $300 or $400 and try to make maybe $50 to $100 off each iPhone. Now, that's a tangible item. That's only scalable to a certain degree. But in the stock market, as long as you're connected to the internet, you're able to do this multiple times every single day. And you can scale this concept. So yes, as you're just getting started, rightfully so, you should be trading with a very small dollar amount as you're going to, take time to learn, but also you're going to make mistakes. And you don't want those mistakes to cost you a lot of money. So this is why you trade with a little bit of, and this is why when you're just getting started, you trade with a small amount of money so you can tolerate not only the successes, but of course the losses that you experience as you're learning how to trade. But it's the same concept that once you have a full understanding of what it is and how it is to actually trade or invest successfully, that you can scale. And I want to use this week as an example. If you guys follow overall news, the Fed's announced that they're going to take a very aggressive approach tackling down inflation rate. And how do they do that? They raise interest rates. This is often a negative catalyst for the NASDAQ and tech market. Do you guys know what I trade? I trade ETFs, ones that follow that same NASDAQ market, TQQQ and SQQQ. So depending if the market is bullish or bearish, I will determine which one I trade depending on market direction. When they announced this, the market entered a bearish movement. I took a heavy position in SQQQ, and the same concept that would normally only potentially make you $10 a share if you make 10%, made me a little bit over $16,000. And I want to show you this. On my screen, you should be able to see my $16,000 gain. And this is a perfect example of knowing when to take action and having enough of an understanding of what's going on that you can step on the gas when direction is on your favor. I don't expect when you're just getting started to be trading with $300,000. It just doesn't make sense, right? You should be trading with a smaller dollar amount. But just like anything, it takes time to learn. You need to build experience. You need to gain confidence. And with that, over time, you should therefore be more empowered to trade with more money once you've proven to yourself that you can do this on a consistent aspect. And that's exactly what followed after my SQQQ trade. The NASDAQ market began to sell off, and as you can see, SQQQ began to rise. My focus every single day are two things: market direction and locking in profits. I don't hold these trades overnight. I don't need to. Well, what if I miss out on potential upside? I don't care. My main focus every single day is market direction and always making sure that I lock in profits, especially if the trade is a little bit more risky. My job is not to be a perfect trader, but to make sure that I work on simple progress every single day. And that's exactly how traders make money in the stock market. If you're getting started and if you're absolutely new to trading, I would love to work with you. We do have a free trading Discord group, and that's that first link in the description of this video. But I do also trade live every single day. And if you want the ability to be able to watch me trade live in real time, I do this every single day exclusively with my Learn Plan Profit team. And that's that second link down below. And if you're interested in joining my team, take 2 minutes, click the second link down below, and I would be more than happy to work with you on a closer basis. I appreciate you guys' time. I wish you guys nothing but the best. I hope that it earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.